Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy on the dip right now. So obviously right now in the past 24 hours, the market is down about 4.75%, so almost 5%. But we do also have some gainers. So the top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Enzyme. So this one right here, MLN, is actually up about 47% from lows of $78. And actually in the past week, it's up over 73%. So it is making some decent gains in the past week if you guys have been keeping an eye out on this one. 192 million market cap. Then obviously our highest volume is obviously Bitcoin like usual. We have a new listing, a live peer, and then some other things as well. Now, Bitcoin is down about 5% almost now, down to about 33,000. We have Ethereum down about 5.7%. Doge is down 6.6%. Everything seems to be down about 5% or around that 5% area. If you guys take a look at the average, downtrend on these coins. And this is actually kind of an opposite of what we're used to. Usually what we see is over the weekend, crypto goes down. And then as we get into the weekdays, crypto tends to go back up. But now it's opposite. Over the weekend, we saw crypto rise, and now as the week has started, we've seen a downtrend here on Monday afternoon. But that could obviously change. It is the holiday weekend, and people are still partying it up and doing different things. So maybe we'll see a turnaround tomorrow morning when we wake up on Tuesday. Alright guys, so before we get into the top 3 altcoins, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, the links are going to be in the description for that as always. Anyways, let's take a look at these altcoins, guys. Let's get into the first one. So the first one is going to be Stellar Lumens, XLM. This one is at a market cap of about 5.9 billion. It was at a high of about 27 cents yesterday. It's down about 5% right now. In the past week, it's down about 1.5%, so pretty much flat if you look at the crypto world. Past month, 33% down, and then obviously on the one-year chart, it is up about 284.46%. This coin was trading around 0.06, so about 6 cents last year in July. Here we saw it in May, hit highs of about 79, almost 80 cents at one point in May 15th. Then we saw a downtrend to about 30 cents, 36 cents, and we continue to go lower and lower ever since then. So Stellar Lumens is on a downtrend right now, market cap at 5.9 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 307.2 million, and then the circulating supply at 23.2 billion. Obviously, we are on a downtrend. We're trading at prices that we were trading at, in January or so. So this could go lower, especially if the crypto market continues to push on lower. We could see it go under 20 cents in the near future. And obviously that would always bring us a good buying opportunity if you guys are, long-term investors that believe in coins for 5, 10, 15 years out. Now, obviously, Stellar Lumens is the Stellar Lumen XLM, powers the Stellar payment network. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. So that is their goal. Obviously, with this downtrend, it has taken a huge beating of over 60, 70% or so from the highs to the lows now. But that is good. If you believed in this coin in the past, in January and when it was trading around this price and you believed it would go up, which it did, why would you not be buying right now on this dip? It's kind of like a Black Friday sale. You're buying on a dip. You're getting a good opportunity. You're buying the coin, a lot cheaper than it was here at the highs of 70 cents, 60 cents, even 80 cents almost. Now you're buying it at more than half of the cost. Great buying opportunity in my opinion for the long term, for any long-term investors with Stellar Lumens, especially as this coin has a lot of potential with only a 5.9 billion market cap. As crypto continues to grow, so will these little altcoins. Most of them, as long as they are good coins and they have something backing it, they will continue to push on higher. Now, we have a very green coin on our number 2 spot. Number 2 spot is going to be AAVE. So AAVE is a very green coin that we've talked about, and it's been popping this year. It's been doing very great. In the past 24 hours, it's down about 1.5%. Past week, it's actually up 35%. So it is in the green, from lows down here of 224 to highs up here of about almost 290 or so. Then on the past 1 month chart, it is down about 26%. Hit lows down here of 169 actually. And then 1 year chart, this coin is up over 53,348%. So if you bought this last year at around 51 cents or so, you're pretty much rolling in the money. This coin came out in October time period, and if you got in October at 51 cents, you could have even sold here at the highs when we saw a lot of the green coins start to pop here and then end of April into May. Hit highs here of actually $670. it was up over 100,000% at that point. So, even one coin would have made you some decent money. I mean, $670 profit or so. So imagine if you had 10 coins, 6,700 profit on about a $5 investment, which is insane to think about, obviously, because you're not going to see those type of gains in the market for sure. I mean, even a 53,000% gain right now is huge. Market cap at 3.6 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at around 510.3 million, and then obviously the circulating supply at around 12.8 million. AAVE is an Ethereum token that powers AAVE, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Now, depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So obviously, AAVE, definitely a great coin. It is one of those greener coins that we've talked about in the past. We actually have a video dedicated to the green coins when, especially when Elon Musk actually talked about not accepting Bitcoin anymore for, the Tesla vehicles. A lot of these green coins started to pop, and AAVE was definitely one of them. We saw it continue up here to highs of about 670, like we said. Then we hit lows of about under 300, and then we've been on a downtrend ever since. So we are trading here in January prices, February prices. Once again, huge discounts for any of these coins for people that believe in long-term holds. But obviously, as we're getting more into the green, renewable source, just renewable sources in general, definitely crypto is going to be another one that's going to be watched, how we can become greener and better for our environment, obviously, to do the least amount of damage that we can, while, mining these coins and doing whatever else we can with them. So AAVE is definitely our second coin. And then our third coin, another green coin, is going to be Solana. So SOL, very popular coin on the channel. We love this coin. It's down about 5.5% in the past 24 hours, trading around $33 right now. In the past week, it's actually up about 3%, which is nice to see. In the past month, down about 12%. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, up over 4,600%, which is massive. I mean, that is a nice return right there. $1,000 invested into this, you would have made some decent money. I mean, you would have made about $46,000 or so. So in my opinion, that is a great return because, $1,000 at a 1,000% return would be 10,000. So right there, 46 grand on a 1,000 investment. It's trading around 68 cents. We even hit highs here of about, 57, almost $60 at one point. $58 in May. This is when it all happened. May 13th to May, the mid-May. That's when the green coin, pop happened. It went from $41 all the way to almost 60. And then we saw the crypto, crash pretty much all the way down to lows of we hit lows of about $24 or so. And we've been consolidating in this range. As you guys saw with the previous two coins, they've kind of been on a consolidation. Then they went on the downtrend. Let's actually take a look. You see consolidation, then downtrend continue lower. Same with AAVE, it was consolidating and then a downtrend even lower. But Solana, it's been consolidating with higher highs here and staying on the same level. So it is a little bit more safer, I guess you could say. And the market cap is a little bit better here at 9.1 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at 295.2 million. Now Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof-of-stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. So Solana, definitely interesting coin. A lot of money could have been made on this one in the past year or so with these gains, obviously 4,000%. Like we always talk about in the stock market, you're going to be lucky to get a 10 to 15% gain. If you make it to 20 or 30%, you're doing really good and you're beating the market. But if you're getting returns of 4,000% like you can get it here in the crypto market, that's pretty insane. Those gains are, unbelievable. And that's why the crypto world is just so volatile and more dangerous, because it can go up very quickly, but it can also come down very quickly. And you can, make money or lose money depending on which way you go. And those are the dangers, obviously, with the crypto space. Crypto is kind of like penny stocks, in my opinion. Very dangerous, but the, risk versus reward is there for anybody that's willing to, take that risk. But so those are going to be our three altcoins. Now let's take a look and see how the rest of the coins are performing. So Bitcoin, like we said, down about 5%. I mean, yesterday on Sunday, we hit highs of about 36,000, and now we're, at lows here of 33,000 or so. So we are down about 3,000 on that position. In the past week, it's down about 3%, past month, 8.7%. And then on the 1 year chart, it is still up 270% from about 9,000 to those highs that we saw about 65,000, then a pullback. And now we've been trading around this level, around this 30 to 35, or almost close to 40,000 area. We've been bouncing back and forth since, pretty much May 19th. So almost 2 months now, crypto has been, trading sideways, and some of it is actually even going lower. So, the crypto world is not as interesting right now as it was maybe about 2 or 3 months ago when everything was popping. All of these videos were coming out. People were loving the gains. People were making hundreds of percents, every few days. But right now we're in a downtrend. Everybody's looking to see if we're going to have a crypto winter or what is going to happen. Are we going to see an uptrend anytime soon? So this week we're going to be watching very closely once again if we're going to break under that 30,000 area, or if we're going to try to break past that 40,000 area, or are we just going to continue to trade in this range, which is obviously a great opportunity once again for any scalpers that are trying to just trade. Buy it at 30,000, sell it around 36, 37 when it hits the highs, and keep repeating that pattern. It seems like a good strategy right now, and it has been for the past 2 months for any investors that do that as well. And now market cap 628.5 billion. Ethereum is down about 5.7%. So this one was at highs of about 2,400 almost. Now we hit lows down here about 2,180. So it is down about 5%. In the past week, it is up about 11.5%. 1 month down 17%. And then on the 1 year chart, it is still up over 874%, guys. So from those, $241 levels all the way to highs of about 4,400. Then we saw this pullback, obviously, major pullback. And we've been consolidating once again around this range, around 1,800 level to about 2,500 level. So it is going back and forth continuously here for the past few months. So very interesting to see how this one is going to perform as well. Market cap 258.1 billion on Ethereum. Now Doge is down about 6.6% from highs of about 25, 26 cents. It is around the 23 cents area. Now Doge, if it goes under 20, I will not be surprised to see it, go under 17 and then 15 and then potentially even the 13 cents area. If we go below 13 cents, Doge is going to continue to tumble, and we're going to see some very, very, nasty things going on. So 30.6 billion market cap. 1 month chart down 38%. 1 year chart is still up almost 10,000%. I mean, obviously, as the coin was trading at around 0.0026, massive gains have still been made for anybody that bought in last year. But if anybody bought here in, April, May, end of May, you're kind of in the red because you kind of bought at the top when all the hype was pretty much done, surrounding Elon Musk, SNL show, all those different things. So hopefully nobody got stuck bag holding, because if you did, Doge might not ever come back to those levels again in the future. So very dangerous play on Doge. I would be rather investing into some of these other coins than Doge, because they have better opportunities in my opinion. Doge is just a meme still in my opinion, and I don't think we'll ever hit that $1 level that people are praying for, I guess you could say. So obviously, guys, these are the 3 altcoins we talked about. This is what's going on in the market right now. So if you guys are enjoying this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. Let's aim for 37,000 subscribers. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links are going to be in the description for that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.